Okay, here you go, people. You have, in this pot, you have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay? 1 tablespoon of butter. 6 tenderloins, they're pounded, they're a little, about 3/8 of an inch thick tenderloins, right? And you cook them up. You fry them up. All right? Which we're in the middle of doing now. And while that's going on, like I says, you have already prepared your other ingredients. For phase 2, after you fry this chicken on each side and put it aside on that plate, you take it out of the pot, the frying pan after it's cooked, you put it over there, cover it up with foil, keep it a little warm, all right? And then, as you can see, it's cooking. It's starting to cook up now, okay? You don't want to burn it, just want to brown it nicely. Okay, in the meanwhile, you on the reserve, on the side, you have 1 tablespoon and a half of rosemary, 1 tablespoon and a half of thyme. You got about 5 chopped garlic cloves, and you got 1 small onion sliced up. And then you throw them in that pot with an additional tablespoon of, after the chicken's cooked, an additional tablespoon of oil and another tablespoon of butter. And then you saute all this stuff for about 6 minutes in here. All right? Then you add, after that's done, and it starts to get a little thick, then, give me a fork. Then you add your chicken stock, your vinegar, vanilla fig, which is over there, so that's phase 3. Then you add, after you saute that stuff up there for 6 minutes, and your chicken's over here, then you add 1/3 cup of vanilla fig balsamic vinegar, a good vanilla fig balsamic vinegar. I like Casa Casal, delicious. And 1 tablespoon of honey, which is right there, from there. All right, and 1 orange zest and 1 cup of chicken stock, right? Then you add it, after you saute this stuff. See, like I'm still cooking the chicken, so let's not get too far ahead. I don't want to confuse anybody. All right, let me pause this while the chicken's cooking and we'll come back.